Miami Food Tour. Eat your way through the Latin flavors of South Beach on this food field walking tour. Accompany the tour guide on a sensory journey to 5-star restaurants and foodie highways. The tour serves the following cuisines: Peruvian, Italian, Colombian, Mediterranean, Cuban, and Spanish. Along the way, we learn about the coming of Latin American cultures that define Miami's culture, neighborhoods, and culinary history.
The name of this place is Cortadito Coffee House. And this is a coffee that you order to make friends, they say. It's always served with these extra cups. Cubans are about community, they're about sharing. You don't order a coffee just for yourself. You order some for your friends, your colleagues, whoever you're with. Gracias. You can grab one and pass it down. And now here we have a pastelito. The pastelito is Cuban pastry, guava and cream cheese inside. And we're also going to do a Cuban coffee. Okay. So, this place is known for the Cuban sandwich. Has anyone had a Cuban sandwich before? Yes. The same thing. So it's made with the Cuban bread. You see it right there?
Yes.
There's ham, Swiss cheese, lechon. There is pickles and mustard. The lechon takes all winter make. It is shredded pork.
Now coming to the Chalan Peru restaurant. They serve french fries, beef stick, rice, and then tilapia with some kind of corn, onion, lettuce, and papaya, and with the sour sauce, chili. This is raw fish, so the first time I eat raw fish like this, good, very good.
What kind of fish is this?
The fish?
Yeah.
It's called corvina. Usually found like in South America, around here as well, like tropics, subtropics.
Left the Peruvian restaurant. The tour guide took us to the food counter. This is the place. Many famous restaurants located here. They serve the food, but today, maybe due to COVID, they don't serve. A lot of famous restaurants, including Vietnamese pho. So you see massive lace. sides of street. A lot of coffee restaurant live with different culture, Mexican, Spanish, many different kind of food, and people sitting to enjoy the food. It's a good walking street to enjoy different cuisine, different culture of Latino people. Now the final destination is the ice cream factory, the Price ice cream, where we can find many different ice cream flavor. They use natural flavor, no chemical, no additive, no preservative. Very pure natural ice cream flavor.